PhD candidate here at UC Irvine, where I'm in advanced research in the field of neuroscience and particularly focusing on aging and Alzheimer's disease in individuals with Down syndrome. So, in my role, I conduct experiments, analyze data, and work closely with a team of researchers and clinicians to better understand the unique challenges that individuals with Down syndrome face as they age. My work overall is a part of a larger effort to develop potential therapeutic strategies and improve the quality of life in this community. Dr. Elizabeth Head's lab here at UC Irvine, and our lab is dedicated to studying aging and Alzheimer's disease in individuals with Down syndrome. So, what makes our work unique is that we focus on understanding how aging affects the brain in people with Down syndrome who are at a greater risk of developing Alzheimer's disease as they get older. And our primary goal is to identify early biomarkers, which are signs that indicate the early onset of Alzheimer's disease, so that we can develop interventions and treatments specifically tailored for people with Down syndrome. So ultimately, we hope that this work will lead to more effective ways to care for people as they age and improve their overall quality of life. So, my research focuses on understanding how Alzheimer's develops and progresses in individuals with Down syndrome, with a particular emphasis on tau pathology. So, tau protein in the brain, um, when it becomes abnormal, it's linked to the progression of Alzheimer's disease. And in people with Down syndrome, tau pathology tends to develop earlier and more rapidly compared to the general population, which makes it a key area of interest in our work here in the lab. So, in addition to studying tau, I also investigate how blood-based biomarkers relate to brain imaging biomarkers and how both of these indicators change over time in individuals with Down syndrome as they age. And one discovery that I'd love to share is certain biomarkers in the blood appear to correlate strongly with changes in brain structures. And this could help us track the disease in a way that is both non invasive and accessible in the Down syndrome population. Always been fascinated by the brain and how it works, but what really sparked my interest in Down syndrome and Alzheimer's disease research was my exposure to the challenges that individuals with Down syndrome face as they age. Many people with Down syndrome live longer lives nowadays than they did in the past, but as they get older, they are at a greater risk for developing Alzheimer's disease, which can have a profound impact on them and their families. So, I wanted to use my research to help improve the care and support available for this population. And understanding the biological mechanisms overall behind Alzheimer's disease in people with Down syndrome is crucial for developing targeted interventions that can help improve the quality of their lives. So, that's what got me interested in this research area. It's absolutely Dr. Elizabeth Head, the principal investigator of my lab. She has been a huge inspiration to me. Her dedication to studying aging and Alzheimer's disease in individuals with Down syndrome is not just scientific. She has a unique ability to combine rigorous research with a genuine commitment to improving the lives of people with Down syndrome. Not only that, her mentorship has been invaluable, not only in helping me develop scientific skills, but also in teaching me how to approach scientific with compassion and care. And Dr. Head's passion for this field and her ability to inspire those around her is something that I aspire to become and incorporate in my own career in the future. So, brain donation is an incredible gift to science, and it plays a critical role in advancing our understanding in neurological diseases, including Alzheimer's disease and other forms of dementia. For people with Down syndrome, brain donation can provide invaluable insights into how Alzheimer's disease affects the brain in this population. So, if you or any of your family members is interested in or considering brain donation, I would highly recommend reaching out to research centers that focus on these areas and discussing the process with them and their staff. They can guide you through the process and the necessary steps to ensure that your contribution will help improve and care and treatment for others in the future. How it bridges the gap between the research community and individuals with Down syndrome and their families. Too often, scientific discoveries remain disconnected from the people they aim to help. But with CFAR-DS, they emphasize on the importance of the community engagement. So the CFAR-DS's effort to share the knowledge and raise awareness about the unique and age-related challenges faced by individuals with Down syndrome resonate deeply with me. And being able to connect researchers with a broader community and ensuring that the findings from our research efforts directly impact people's lives is an essential part of making meaningful progress in research. And I'm deeply proud to be a part of this effort.